3, 2, 1.
Hello, dear listeners, dear viewers, dear friends, and dear followers. Of course, we'll start with the alphabet. There are 26 letters. Here we go. The first letter is A, as in apple, ant. Then B, as in ball, bear. C, cat, car, but here we pronounce C as K. Okay, now D as dog, duck. E as in elephant, egg. Now F, fish, frog. And G as goat, grape. But now we pronounce G as G. Now H, the H sound, as in hat, house. Okay, now the letter I, as in igloo. It's a hat made of ice cubes where people live in the Arctic, in the North Pole. Also, as in insect. Okay, now the letter J, as in jellyfish, and the verb jump. Okay, now the letter K, as in kite and key. Okay, now move on to the letter L, line, leaf. Okay, now M, monkey, moon. N, nest, nose. Then O as owl, orange. P, pig, pencil. And Q as in queen, quilt. R, rabbit, rain. S, sun, snake. And T as in tree and train. U as in umbrella, unicorn. Now let's go to the letter V as in van, violin. W, wolf, watermelon. X, xylophone, X-rays. The letter Y, yogurt, yu-yu. And the last letter is Z. Americans, they pronounce it Z, and the British, they pronounce it Z, as in zebra, zoo.